Hello, Julenn Keeling here, Associate Broker, Berkshire Hathaway, HomeServices, Towne Realty. I'd like to welcome you to my latest listing located at 315 Pointe Way in Newport News, Virginia. This lovely home features 3 bedrooms, 2 full baths with a first floor bedroom with bath access and over 1,700 square feet. It's located in Hilton Heights, just on the cusp of the greater historic Hilton area. Come on in and let's take a look. As you can see, with this great warm neutral color palette, it is the perfect blank canvas for you to come and personalize to really make it your own. Please don't hesitate to reach out if you'd like to schedule a showing, either virtually or in person. Also, I'm happy to answer any and all of your real estate questions, as I'm always presenting you with options and producing results. Thank you again, and we'll see you on the next one. Bye!